In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in Brevo in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Brevo or looking to enhance your email campaigns with a professional touch, adding a signature is a fantastic way to personalize your communications. We'll walk through each step clearly and precisely so you can effortlessly insert your signature and make your emails stand out. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Brevo's website. You'll want to make sure you're on Brevo's official site to avoid any confusion later. Once you're there, it's time to log in. Enter your credentials carefully. A simple oversight here can lead to unnecessary frustration. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Brevo provides a straightforward password recovery process, which is always handy. After logging in, you'll be on your dashboard. Go ahead and locate the Campaigns tab on the top menu. This tab is where the fun begins. Here, you have the option to either create a brand new campaign or open an existing one, depending on what suits your needs today. If you're trying this for the first time, creating a new campaign might help you understand the flow better without the risk of altering existing templates. Once in the campaign section, click on the Design option. You'll then see an option to Create from Scratch. Choose that and select the drag and drop editor. This editor is incredibly intuitive, providing a seamless way to organize and personalize your campaign layout. If you haven't used it before, now's a great time to explore. Next, you'll add an image block. The drag and drop editor makes this super easy. Simply select the image block from the sidebar and drag it into your preferred position in the email layout. This is where your signature will go. So choose a spot where it will be most impactful, like at the bottom of your email content. Now, it's time to bring in your pre-made signature. When you click on the image block, you'll find options to upload an image. Select the option and choose your pre-designed signature file. Ensure your signature image is clear and professionally designed to leave a lasting impression on your recipients. And there you have it. Your personalized signature is now part of your Brevo campaign. Taking these few simple steps ensures your emails carry a professional look and feel, showcasing your brand's personality. It's a small addition that makes a big impact, enhancing your email communications credibility and appeal. I hope you found this guide helpful, and you'll be able to add signatures to your future campaigns with ease and confidence. Remember to save your campaign changes, and you're all set to impress your audience. Stay tuned for more easy-to-follow tutorials and happy emailing.